Welcome to a very special video. We are finally moving into our self-converter camper van and full-time home on wheels.
Oh my gosh! ¡Lo logramos!
But before we jump on the road, let me take you back a little in time. Before moving into the van, there was a little list of things we had to get done. Some things included using power tools, and others, inspiration and good taste. Okay guys, we have exactly 2 weeks to finish this list. It's not a lot. I'm pretty sure we can do it. And we're gonna do a lot of these things today. So let's get working. El tema es que con estas puertas de closet la idea es abrir aquí, se abre hasta atrás, esto se abre hasta acá donde está la cama, obviamente, y acá está la ducha. Entonces la idea es poder, para la ducha, tú cierras la puerta de la ducha. Pero cuando esto esté cerrado, vamos a poner acá, no sé dónde lo puse, esto es un gancho, que es un folding hanger. Entonces se pone así. Entonces la idea es instalar esto acá. Entonces cuando esto se cierra, va a estar abierto y vamos a poder colgar cosas adentro. Aquí. ¡Chuc! Por ejemplo, el wetsuit de Aidan puede colgarse acá. Y bueno, le vamos a poner unas handles, algo así que se vea bien. Y ahí tenemos doble uso: ducha, toilet y closet. ¿Qué tal para el buen uso del espacio? ¡Mua! Dime en los comentarios si te gusta esta idea. Packing.
Pase, señor. ¿Qué trae? Food.
Those days were about moving into the van and moving out of our old house. Selling and donating stuff, we were exhausted.
Tomorrow, we are officially starting.
Van life, baby. Finally, this is the moment we've been waiting for. To say it. We're not building stuff. And all the little things we have left, doesn't matter.
We are
Probably never gonna do it.
sweating like non-stop right now in New Orleans, but tomorrow begins. Tomorrow begins.
The day is finally here.
It's today! It's today! Alright. Let's do it! Oh my gosh! ¡Lo logramos! It's official!
It's official, baby.
¡Nos fuimos a la ruta! ¡Woo! Okay, so stopping the road for some lunch in a rest area in Mississippi.
As we drove up north to our next big destination, we had been waiting to make use of our Harvest Host membership finally. We paid about $100 for a whole year to have access to park breweries, wineries, farms, etc. When you request a stay, you don't need to pay anything extra, but the idea is to have a little exchange with the people that host you. So we found a little winery in Alabama. We had such a good time during our free tasting that we ended up buying not one, but 2 bottles of wine. Nothing better than starting the day slow.
The bed is up. We'll show you more about that in another episode. Wow.
So yesterday we tried wine from Juvenile Winery in Alabama, and they've got maybe like 10 rows of vines. They've got everything from muscadine, Concord grapes, Spanish grape right here, and lots of different apple, pear, blueberry. We would definitely recommend this place. Very nice people. Very,
It was our first harvest host.
First harvest host and first time trying wine from the south, which at least at this place, it wasn't as sweet as I thought it would be. It was really good.
I thought it was sweet.
Yeah, it was sweet for wine.
But it was good. It was different.
It was really good. Yeah. Just a great experience.
Yeah, and we are like basically by ourselves. It's
We have
really
the
cool.
vineyard all to ourselves, as you can see.
Friends area time.
Hola, 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 amigas. Oh my god.
Because it's so busy, we were really trying to avoid driving through Atlanta. We found a little farm in South Georgia, got some eggs from the host, and enjoyed time around the chickens. We are definitely into Harvest Host and will continue using this app as we need. Would you try it?